Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about symmetry from NCERT and R.S. Agrawal. Clear? Symmetry is the chapter number 14 in NCERT and in R.S. Agrawal chapter number 18. Okay? Reflection and rotational symmetry. Clear? That is chapter number 18 in R.S. Agrawal and symmetry in NCERT chapter number 14. Clear? So first of all we will discuss what is the mean of symmetry. Clear? What is symmetry? Clear? Direct I will not start exercise. First of all I will explain about the symmetry, how we can solve the exercise and what is the mean of symmetry. Clear? Symmetry. Clear? It is the chapter name. Clear? Symmetry means the quality of being made up of exactly similar parts facing each other or around an axis. Clear? Suppose that one example I am taking. It is a arrow. Clear? It is a arrow. One more I am making. Clear? Okay. It is an arrow. See, it is first arrow means arrow A. It is an arrow B. Clear? We have taken. So I told you mean of symmetry कि the quality of being made up of exactly similar part facing each other or around an axis. Second thing we can say कि correct or pleasing proportion of the part of a thing. Okay? So here suppose that we are making line of symmetry here. Clear? Symmetry means if we are folding this arrow top to down, clear, and left to right, right to left, we can fold it. Clear? When we are folding this arrow and like 1 minute. It is a one paper. Clear? It is a paper. Suppose that we are folding this page. Okay? Like this. Okay? It was paper. It is a paper. When we are folding like this, so we are getting here this page we have folded this in equal part. Clear? See, it is also like this. Here is also. So here line of symmetry what? This is. It is a line of symmetry of this thing. If we are folding like this, clear? Means, see, it is in equal part. Okay? So here it is a line of symmetry. But if we are folding like this, see, here is and here also see. So it is not in symmetrical form. It is not in symmetrical form. Symmetry means, line of symmetry means, if we are folding any object, there if after folding, clear, if we are making one line of symmetry, if it is coming in equal part, okay, so that is a symmetrical line. Suppose that question is make a line of symmetry, so we will make from mid. Clear? Line of symmetry means if any line is splitting a shape into two parts. Any line is splitting a shape into two parts such that the two parts are the same is called a line of symmetry. Okay? These parts are also said to be symmetrical to each other. If suppose that here we are making symmetrical line, see, it is not in equal part. If we will fold it, clear, it is not in symmetrical form, okay, but this arrow in symmetrical form, clear. So line of symmetry, one more time I am explaining. I am telling you कि any line is splitting a shape into two parts such that the two parts are the same is called a line of symmetry. Clear? It is a line of symmetry. Clear? These parts are called said to be symmetrical to each other. Okay, students? I hope you understand line of symmetry. Line of symmetry means any line of splitting a shape into two parts such that the two parts are the same is called a line of symmetry. Okay? These parts are also said to be symmetrical to each other. Okay? Suppose that we have taken one triangle, equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means if in triangles all sides are equal, that is a P Q R. Clear? It is a equilateral triangle. If we are making, if there is a make a line of symmetry, so here we will also make from when we will fold like this, so we will get in two equal parts. Clear? Means any line splitting a shape into two parts such that the two parts are the same is called a line of symmetry. These parts are also said to be symmetrical to each other. Okay? Symmetry, we can say also कि symmetry in everyday language refers to a sense of harmonious and beautiful proportion and balance. Clear? In mathematics, symmetry has a more precise definition. Okay? And is usually used to refer to an object that is invariant under some transformation, including translation, reflection, rotation or scaling. Okay, we can say like this also. So after that we can start the exercise. It's exercise 14.1 in NCERT. Copy the figure with punch hole and find the axis of symmetry for the following. Okay, copy the figure with punch hole and find the axis of symmetry for the following. So there is so many figure is given. Clear? So there is figure first A. Given in square form. So one punch is here and one punch is here. Clear? So copy the figure with punch hole and find the axis of symmetry for the following. So axis of symmetry means where we can make a line of symmetry. If we are making like this, clear? When we will fold it, clear? So this and this punch together, clear? This and this punch, there will be joined, clear? So it is a line of symmetry of this figure. Second one is given. Means in this question we will see where is punch is given. Clear? Here is two punches given. One punch is here and one punch is here. So making a line of symmetry. It is a line of symmetry. Clear? When we will hold it, we will get this. Clear? Next. C also like this. D you can do. E I am telling you. First E. Okay. One punch is here, one punch is here, one punch is here, and one. So how much line of symmetry we can make? So it is a first, it is a second, it is a third line of symmetry, it is a fourth line of symmetry. Clear? It means there is four line of symmetry we can make. It is a square, there is four punches given there. So corner to corner we can take, so there is two, and in mid one horizontal, one vertical. Clear? 1, 2, 3, 4. Four vertical line is there. Four line of symmetry is there. Clear? So first question like this you can do. Clear? Question number 2. Keep the line of symmetry. Find the other holes. So there is one punch is given. Second day, C I am telling you, triangle is given. Okay? Triangle is given there. One punch is given here and one line of symmetry is given. In triangle, you think where you can make a punch. Clear? So here you can do punch. If you will fold it, so you will get here punch. Clear? So one more punch you can make here, dotted line. Clear? When you will fold it, clear? So one part is punched, second part is not punched. So you can do this also punch. Okay? So it is in second question. Only four part is given. So one part I explain. Next you can do. Clear? Third one is also you can do in the following figure, the mirror line. Clear? That is the line of symmetry is given as a dotted line. Complete each figure performing reflection in the dotted mirror line. Might perhaps place a mirror along the dotted line and look into the mirror for the image. Second day. Third day. Question number third day. Clear? half figure is given and one line of symmetry is given. So you can complete it. Solution is means you will make like this. Whatever given in the question, make like this, and here you can join half part. Clear? That is completed. Like this you will complete. If circle is given, the half circle is given, one symmetrical line is given, the half circle you will be make. In question number 4, the following figure have more than one line of symmetry. Such figure are said to have line of symmetry. Identify multiple line of symmetry in any each of the following. Means there is so many figure is given, asking how much line of symmetry you can make there. Clear? So whatever figure is given, first you will see there. After that you think how much line you can make. So if equilateral triangle is given, so there is 3 line of symmetry you can make. Clear? So many different type given, you can make it. Question number 7. State the number of line of symmetry for the following figure. So an equilateral triangle, there is how much line of symmetry? So there is an isosceles triangle is asking, a scalene triangle, a square, a rectangle, rhombus, parallelogram. There is so many figure is given, asking how much line of symmetry you can make. Clear? I am explaining this also. Symmetry chapter is not very difficult. If you understand one question, you can do other questions. 7. So an equilateral triangle. So equilateral triangle means all sides are equal. Clear? So one line of symmetry it is, second is this, and third is this. Means an equilateral triangle, how much line of symmetry? 3 line of symmetry. Clear? Means I am asking there in an equilateral triangle, how much line of symmetry? 3 line of symmetry. Second is asking an isosceles. Isosceles triangle means there is 2. If 2 sides are equal, so there is you can make only 1 line of symmetry. Clear? Means if isosceles triangle you will fold it after line making line of symmetry. After that they will be joined. It is an isosceles triangle. PQR. If we are making 1 line of symmetry here, we can fold it. If we are making 1 more line of symmetry, that is not form of symmetry. Clear? Scalene triangle, there is no side is equal. It means there is no line of symmetry. Line of symmetry means I told you what the line of symmetry. If you understand that carefully, you can do this. Clear? Line of symmetry means similar or exact correspondence between different things. Whatever thing is given means you can use symmetrical line different thing. Anything is given there. But it is in your I am teaching you mathematics. So here I am telling you where you can do whatever given in exercise. But in other things also you can do. You can use that. Clear? A rectangle means there is 4 sides, opposite sides are equal. So there you can make, I think, 2 lines. A rectangle. In rectangle, the opposite sides are equal. Here, P, Q, R, S. Okay. If we are making here, it is a line of symmetry, 1 line of symmetry. If we will fold like this, clear? That is an equal part. If fold like this, it is also an equal part. Clear? Means 2 line of symmetry we can make only in a rectangle. Clear? I square, there is 4, we because all sides are equal, no problem is there. So I think you understand. A circle infinite you can make. Note down this. So 14.1 exercise is complete. I am explaining 18 exercise 18 here. You can see in R.S. Agrawal 18A there is also same question. See 18A, first tick the correct answer in each. Clear? Multiple choice question is given. Clear? As a scalene triangle has a scalene triangle, the four option is given. No line of symmetry, one line of symmetry, two line of symmetry, three line of symmetry. So I told you a scalene triangle there is no line of symmetry. Means option number A is correct. A rectangle in symmetrical about each one of its sides, each one of its diagonal. A line joining the midpoint of its opposite sides. None of these. Okay. So a rectangle is symmetrical about a line joining the midpoint of its opposite sides. Clear? Means option number C is correct. A square has option A, one line of symmetry, two line of symmetry, three line of symmetry, four line of symmetry. I told you कि a square four line of symmetry. In NCERT first exercise I told you. That's why we are taking 18A exercise, because there in whatever given is there is also given. So that's why we are teaching you together. Okay. A rhombus is symmetrical about. There is also four options. So the line joining the midpoint of its opposite sides, each of its diagonal, perpendicular bisector of each of its sides, none of these. So option number B is correct. A rhombus is symmetrical about each of its diagonal. Okay. Circle has no line of symmetry, one line of symmetry, two line of symmetry, and unlimited number of line of symmetry. I told you that in circle you can make infinite. Means option number 4, and unlimited number of line of symmetry. Clear? I hope you understand. Question number 6. Triangle ABC. AB equal to AC, AD perpendicular BC, B perpendicular AC, and C a perpendicular. Then triangle ABC is symmetrical about. Clear? Question number. There is also four options: A, D, B, C, F, D. None of this. ABC is symmetrical about AB, AD. Clear? So there is till question number 9. Clear? There is optional question, multiple choice question. So you can do there. Only 11 question is given. Till 9 multiple choice. 2 question is given. So one example I told you arrow. Where you can make their line of symmetry. So there in question number 10, draw the line of symmetrically of each of the following figures. Okay. Question number 11, true false is given. Clear? So one part I am explaining from question number 10. Question number 10. Clear? So there is given okay, like this is given question. Line of symmetry like this. Clear? It is a line of symmetry. Why? And splitting. I told you that any line splitting a shape into two parts such that the two parts are the same is called a line of symmetry. Okay, these part are also said to be line of symmetry, symmetrical to each other. Okay, so question number 10, there is one more figure is given like this. So here also we can like this line of symmetry. If we will join this, it is in equal part. We will join this, it is in equal part. Clear? Question number 11. True, false. Which of the following statements are true and which are them are false? So a parallelogram has no line of symmetry. So first is true. In a parallelogram there is no line of symmetry. An angle with equal arm has a bisector as a line of symmetry. Clear? There is also, that is true. An equilateral triangle has 3 line of symmetry. So in equilateral triangle I told you 3 line of symmetry. That is also true. A rhombus has 4 line of symmetry, which is a false. But there is 2 diagonals. Clear? So how we can say that there is 4 line of symmetry? Clear? A square has 4 line of symmetry. It is also true. Clear? A rectangle has 2 line of symmetry. It is also true. Clear? And last one is also true. Each one of the letter H, I, O, X of the English alphabet has 2 line of symmetry. Clear? It is also true. By H, if we are making H, so it is also 1 line of symmetry. I, here we can make 1 line of symmetry. One more is given O. It is like a circle. So here is also 1 line of symmetry we can make. Clear? X, it is also 1 line of symmetry. Means 8 exercise is also completed. Note down this.